Whistle. It's 12 inches long. It's made out of copper. Has a common quarter-inch national pipe thread fitting that'll fit inside of it. You can test the whistle just by blowing into it, but we use air pressure, or it could be fitted for steam. This is just a valve I'm screwing in it so I can adjust the pressure, and I'll attach an air fitting. Okay, low tone, it'll produce a deeper note. But turned up high, it produces a higher tone. So you can regulate anywhere in between by adjusting your air pressure. I'm just using this to adjust airflow. They can be fitted with a number of different type valves. All are commonly available at a hardware store because I use a quarter-inch national pipe thread fitting in it. They're all solid copper, hand soldered, hand manufactured. This is the standard valve I use for testing. It's just an old torch valve that I can twist to regulate. They can be fitted to a standard whistle valve. This is a different type. Can be screwed onto here and then operated like a standard train whistle. These are available also. This happens to be a vintage one, but you can put literally any type of valve you want in it.
So show me the valve up.